In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini to automatically transcribe audio or video into text transcripts for free. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can effortlessly create transcripts from your audio or video files. Transcribing can be tedious, but with Google Gemini, it's a breeze. So, let's jump right in and simplify the process. First, we need to open a web browser and head over to Google. This is your starting point for accessing Google Gemini, which will facilitate the transcription process. Once on the Google homepage, you'll want to type Google Gemini into the search bar. Google Gemini is a powerful tool by Google designed to handle tasks like transcription seamlessly. After pressing Enter, you'll see search results related to Google Gemini. Look for the official Google Gemini website and click on the link. This will take you directly to the platform where we can start transcribing your files. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, look for a plus sign icon, which is typically used to upload files. Clicking on this icon will allow you to upload the video or audio file that you wish to transcribe. Now that your file is successfully uploaded, it's time to create a prompt. In the text field that appears, simply type, "Transcribe this video." This prompt acts as an instruction for Google Gemini, letting it know that you want the audio or video content converted into written text. Once you've entered your prompt, proceed to the next step by clicking the Submit button. This button is usually prominently displayed and will trigger the transcription process. As Google Gemini works its magic, your transcribed text will soon appear on your screen. It's an efficiently streamlined process, and before you know it, you'll have a text version of your audio or video file ready for use. If, at this point, you're interested in only accessing the audio part of your file, there's a simple option for you too. Click on the three dotted line icon, which usually provides more options related to your file, and select the Listen option. This allows you to access the audio content separately if needed. And there you have it. With these steps, Google Gemini makes transcribing incredibly simple and straightforward. Whether you have a video clip or just a sound file, this tool handles everything with ease, giving you a reliable transcription from your uploads. So go ahead and give it a try. Transform those audio or video files into text effortlessly with Google Gemini. Thank you for tuning in, and happy transcribing.